Hi friends, welcome. Today we are going to see TNPC Group 1 Prelims exam question paper for the year 2017. This is part 3 video with 50 questions and answers. Please check our previous video for part 1 and part 2. First question. A radioactive element X with a half-line of 2 hours decay giving a stable element Y. After a time of t hours, the ratio of atoms is 1:7. Then the value of the answer is B. Option B, 6 hours. Next question. The compounds formed when hydrogen combines with p block elements are called. Answer is option B, molecular hydrides. Next question. Among the following salts, which is a salt of weak acid and strong base? Answer is option C, NaCN. Next question. Choose the micronutrient needed for plant growth. Answer is option D, zinc. Next question. The root nodules of Cassionaria, which are capable of symbiotic nitrogen fixation, contains the microbe. Answer is B, option B, Frankia. Next question. Which cytoplasmic organelle is associated with acrosome formation in the spermatozoa of animals? Answer is option C, Golgi complex. Next question. Deficiency of folic acid leads to? Answer is option A, anemia. Next question. A feature common to nucleus, chloroplast and mitochondria is the presence of? Answer option C, nucleic acid. Next question. Hormone secreted in root tip during the formation of nodule is? Answer is option A, auxin. Next question. Metabolically inactive cell inclusions remaining in the cytoplasm is called? Answer is option B, ergastic substances. Next question. Which of the following is a social insect? Answer is option D, termites. Question. Which one of the following is not correctly matched? List 1 with list 2 hormones and secreted by testosterone, prolactin, estrogen, progesterone. Answer is option 2 only. That is, which is not correctly matched is prolactin, adrenaline, medulla. Next question. The human population is currently exhibiting? Answer is option B, exponential growth. Next question. The antibiotic that prevents cell wall synthesis in bacteria is? Answer is option C, penicillin. Question. Point out the correct statement in the following. Answer is option C, iron was unknown to the Indus people. Next question. Name the social reformer who supported Dr. Muthulakshmi Reddy for the abolition of Devadasi system. Answer is option A, E.V. Ramasamy Nayakar. Next question. Which one of the following European war was associated with Third Carnatic War? Answer is option A, the 7 years war. Question. The State Reorganization Act was passed in? Answer is option C, November 1956. Question. Which of the following is incorrectly paired? Answer is option C, Kotwal revenue collector. Question. Match list 1 with list 2 and select the correct answer using the code given below the list. List 1, list 2. List 1, Kalibangan, Sutkotada, Lothal, Keeladi. List 2, Gulf of Cambay, Madurai, Rajasthan, Gujarat. Let's see the answer. Kalibangan, answer is Rajasthan. Sutkotada, answer is Gujarat. Lothal, Gulf of Cambay. Keeladi, answer is Madurai. So, the answer is option B. Next question. India Home Rule Society was set up by. Answer is Syamji Krishna Varma. Next question. Arrange the following in chronological order. First one, Surat split. Second, birth of the Muslim League. Third, partition of Bengal. Fourth, reunion of Bengal. Let's see the answer. First comes the partition of Bengal. Second, birth of Muslim League. Third, Surat split. Fourth, reunion of Bengal. So, the answer is option C. Next question. Which of the following is incorrectly matched? Rajaji, Pro Changes, Vanchinathan, Robert William Ashe, K. Kamaraj, Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu in 1952, Satyamurthy, Mayor of Madurai. So, answer is option B, that is Vanchinathan, Robert William Ashe. That is correctly matched here. Next question. Who was the chairperson in the All India Socialist Conference held at Patna 1934? Answer is option B, Acharya Narendra Deva. Question. In which year the widow remarriage was legally permitted? Answer is option B, 1856. Next question. Consider the following pairs. First one, Wood Dispatch 1854, Hunter Commission 1882, University Act 1880, Wadhwa Scheme of Education 1904. Which of the pairs given above is or are correct? So the answer is 1 and 2. That is Wood Dispatch 1854, Hunter Commission is 1882. It's a correct pair. Next question. Which of the following is incorrectly paired? Indian Mirror, D.N. Tagore, Vande Mataram, Madam Kama, Tribune, D.S. Majita, Bombay Herald, J.A. Hickey. Answer is option D. D alone is correct. That is Bombay Herald is J.A. Hickey, which is incorrectly paired. Next question. Setting up of village panchayat is associated with which part of the Indian Constitution? Answer is option C, Directive Principle of State Policy. Next question. In an open economy, GDP is the sum of. Answer is option A, consumption, gross investment, government spending and net export. Next question. The minimum support prices are a means of supporting the. Answer is option A, farmers. Question. Which one of the following is an indirect tax? Answer is option B, service tax. Next question. India's Human Development Index HDI in 2011 was better than that of. Answer is option C, that is Bangladesh. Next question. The Indian government gets dash percentage of India's total energy needs are met through imports. Answer is option A, 30%. Next question. Mr. Ladejski, an American expert of land reforms, after detailed study, observed that one of the following districts worst in land tenure system in Tamil Nadu. Answer is option C, Tanjavur. Next question. The GATT was biased in favor of the developed countries and was called informally? Answer is option A, Rich Men's Club. Next question. Which one of the following cases is not directly related to Article 21 and provision of rights to the life in the Indian Constitution? Answer is option C, Express Newspapers versus Union of India. Next question. In India, the first proclamation of national emergency under Article 352 was declared in the year. Answer is option B, 1962. Next question. According to the Article 170 of Indian Constitution, the maximum limit of members in a legislative assembly is. Answer is option A, not more than 500 and not less than 60 members. Next question. The Administrative Vigilance Division was created in 1955 by the. Answer is option B, Ministry of Home Affairs. Question. Sakaria Commission on Center-State Relations was appointed by the Government of India during the year. Answer is option C, 1983. Next question. Which one of the following statements is not correct about public interest litigation? Answer is option B, a petition in public interest litigation filed before the Supreme Court may not be transferred to an appropriate High Court. Next question. Who was the ruler of Jammu and Kashmir in 1940? Answer is option B, Maharaj Hari Singh. Next question. An article without which the Indian Constitution would be nullity. I would not refer to any other article except Article 32. It is the very soul of the Constitution and the very heart of it. Who said it? Answer is option B, B.R. Ambedkar. Next question. The Maternity Benefit Act was enacted in the year. Answer is option A, 1961. In our Constitution, the provision relating to the suspension of fundamental rights during the emergency provision has been taken from which country? Answer is option D, Germany. Next question. Khalsa Commission was established to reinvestigate the death of whom? Answer is option A, Subhash Chandra Bose. Next question. Article 132 of the Indian Constitution deals with. Answer is option A, the appellate jurisdiction of the Supreme Court in constitutional cases. Next question. Which Amendment Act enabled Delhi and Pondicherry to vote in the presidential elections? Answer is option A, 70th Amendment Act. Next question. The radii of the two right circular cylinders are in the ratio 4:3 and their heights are in the ratio 7:4. Then the ratio of their curved surface area is in the ratio. Answer is option D, 7:3. Next question. A wall is to be constructed with length 60 meter, breadth 3 meter, height 5 meter. How many bricks are required to construct a wall with a length 30 cm, breadth 15 cm and height 20 cm? Answer is option C, 1 lakh. Thank you friends.